Ladies and gentlemen, at this time it is my pleasure to turn the microphone over to the announcer for the Frecce Tricolori, Major John DeForno. John?
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Major Gianfranco DeForno, the narrator for today's Frecce Tricolori Airshow. In 1960, the Italian Air Force decided to form a permanent unit, the 3-1/3 Aerobatic Training Squadron, which is better known as Frecce Tricolori or Three-Colored Arrows. The formation of today is Major Mario Naldini as number 1 on takeoff roll now. You'll watch the second section being airborne before the first section to avoid the jet wake. We're going to present today to all of you is the high show that lasts about 20 minutes from the entry maneuver. We're coming from the back and executing a loop going up to 4,300 feet. Ladies and gentlemen, the Italian Air Force Aerobatic Team. About 4,300 feet and out of the loop. The formation will reposition in front of you for presenting another stunting maneuver. The aircraft we proudly fly is made in Italy, built by our Macchi factory, and his name is MB, Mike Bravo, 339. An aircraft capable of reaching a maximum speed of 485 knots, able to take off and land in less than 1,500 feet. You can watch the formation in a big triangle, changing now shape, going into diamond, with the add of the solo aircraft going as number 10, will draw a heart shape. That means the love that we brought here from Italy for all of you. There they go, coming up and ready for separation. Separating now, and the solo departing from the formation, going into the cardioid. With the same precision, the two section will come and cross right in front of you for the cardioid crossover. And the solo crossing the formation. At your right is coming the solo with his first pass. He will execute a quick left roll. Solo departing to your right, and the formation is coming again at your left this time, in a beautiful diamond, going up for a slow left barrel roll in diamond. The distance between wingtip is land at 6 feet, and the aircraft are very close together in a very neat formation. Going very shortly upside down and make a fly pass. Now to the left, the formation is coming again. No void times, no dead times in between each maneuver. Let's watch this one. It's the Italian Air Force tribute to the mankind adventure in the space. Apollo 3 1/3 is the name of this maneuver. Tricolor smokes, all wingmen separating and snap rolling. Now both section looping, the section of 4 aircraft a little higher, and out of the loop, the join up again. And immediately after their departure from the field, will be time for the solo to come again and present a 4-point roll. And it's time again for the formation coming from your right. Right now the formation is in diamond. Number 4 and number 5, the second left and right wingman, will roll back to a new shape of formation. We call it wine glass. 4 and 5, rolling back to wine glass. There they go. Top of the loop, and as soon as they be out of the loop, the solo will approach again from your left to execute a roll from back to back. There the solo, wide smoking, going upside down, and then a roll from back to back. And again, the formation up your left is changing again shape, going to swan. Maintaining this very difficult formation, especially for the most external wingman. The formation is going to execute a right roll in swan. You'll watch that, and as soon as they'll be out of the roll, the solo will approach from the right with this crazy flight. From your right, the crazy flight, a maneuver established to show the flight characteristics of the MB339, a true jewel of our aeronautical industry. But the formation is coming in front of us now in an inverted triangle. Color smokes, going up for a loop, changing formation on top of the loop, and out of the loop have the Arizona brake. While the change formation and changing color of the smokes, going white now, and out of the loop, splitting into while the solo is coming right in front of you in the middle of the brake point to execute a tail slide. Watch the solo. It's coming down on his tail. Speed was 0. Going up to speed again and full control. It's out of the field. And the two sections, section of 5 aircraft from your right and the section of 4 aircraft from your left are coming down for crossover. This time, well, not with link wing levels, but they will cross in descending turn. Coming again from your right to do a very slow roll. And it's time now for the bullseye. What it is, it's a simple maneuver done by the two sections. Section of 4 aircraft in front of you doing a loop, and the section of 5 aircraft doing a roll inside the loop, the bullseye. Solo is coming again from your left, this time for a series of quick rolls and a 360 degrees high G turn. Time for the final part of the show. The formation is approaching a big line astern of 7 aircraft for the triple roll. That's the only team doing this in the world. 2 aircraft at a time will roll back to the new position. 7 and 8 will be the first 2, and then 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Color smokes, the triple roll. You'll see this maneuver now. This is a big pyramid. Out of the pyramid, out of the loop, the bomb burst with the solo coming from the right. You can only spot him already. Coming up to get in the middle of the break point for the bomb burst. And now, all 9 aircraft will come back and proceed back to the center point of the air show for the crossover. While the formation will join up very rapidly, from your left is coming the solo again to execute a low altitude, a loop putting out the gears on top of the loop, and then out of the loop, execute a slow roll. But you can see up your right, the formation is already joined up, and it's coming down for a half a Schneider, about 180 degrees turn in diamond, while the solo is preparing for showing to all of you the unbelievable Lomshova. Watch the smokes, and you can see what it does. And now he goes on a 360 degrees. A tight turn. And the solo now is going to be coming from the right to fly under the formation that is passing from your left with the color smokes, the Italian flag. This is the time where the pilot will give a quick look out of the cockpit. It's time for waving at the Italian Air Force aerobatic team, the Frecce Tricolori. to thank all of you on behalf of the commander of the Italian Air Force Aerobatic Team, Lieutenant Colonel Giuseppe Bernardis, and to give the salutes of our Chief of Staff, who is represented here by Major General Adelchi Pillinini. It has been an honor to fly for all of you, and it will be an honor, we hope, to come back in the future. Thank you to all of you from the Italian Air Force.
On your way out, so that I don't have to stay here until midnight getting this place cleaned up.